That's lovely. I'm going on a hunt for an old, it's an old homestead.
Homestead, they used to run, I don't know.
Yeah, an old homestead ruin, so.
Oh, Cape Barren geese. That's what you're saying.
I can see the dump truck coming pick up that wheelie bin.
Welcome one and all. Please sign our visitors book, please.
Oh. Yeah, I'll pass.
Unique diving history. No seas too rough, no crays too tough, see? The still of it. But it's gone to the circuit board there, and all the old wiring up here. That's older than my tractors. Don't know if we're getting them on the shots. A couple of Cape Barren geese over here. Some out the back even further. So this is Joe trying to get close to the Cape Barren geese. They seem to be walking away, but we're a little bit worried that they might have turned and charged her. Would have been entertaining watching her come galloping back.
The bulldog.
The bulldog.
Bulldog. He's soft.
He would sit on it. Yep. Is it safe? Jeez, here's where it goes. Woohoo! That's where the wheel would have been. She's a beauty. This is the Wild Wild West.
Yes, this one. Well, surely.
There's concern there's any, what are they, death adders here? They're worried that there could be something under the sheet of tin I'm standing on. I reckon I should lift it and check, but there's a vote of no.
So we're just coming up to explore Blythe Island for the day. Looks pretty. Nice, beautiful blue water. So we've got a day with low winds. So we thought we'll go and explore a bit more of the St. Joseph Banks area.
He's just down there.
He's like, have you got a blue anchor?
yacht to get in, this point or the other point? Well, I should be able to get in this bay here. They're all laying on the sand.
I'm just curious of what they do.
They're coming in. Get out of it. I was here first.
Play! Play!
Geez, they stink.
Hello! I suppose when the tide comes in.
So you reckon it's seals? What the hell are you doing?
Look at them all.
They're coming to us at this beach. Go to our normal beach. This is all rocks.
They're like, oh, where are you going? They're like puppy doggies. Come on.
They are, they're coming.
I don't think it's very deep here, is it?
No. Where'd my mask end up?
Here.
Oh, look at the bottom.
Hello. How deep is that? I thought you said it.
Oh, it's at critical depth.
Come on, you got to entertain them, otherwise I'll keep swimming.
Yeah.
Come on, get in.
Come on, splash
We're waiting
around,
for you.
splash.
I'm going to mark all that.
Chris, you got to keep them. You got your hat on. Don't forget your hat.
I don't give a shit about my hat.
If you don't amuse them, they'll go.
They're going, Chris.
They're already going.
They're going.
No.
You got to keep them
Thank
here.
God. What do you want me to get in for?
Swim fast.
I haven't got fins.
Hang on, what was it you said before? It's not that cold?
It's not that cold, I'm in.
Go on.
Look at your face, it's like shit. I'm freezing.
Ball deep. Oh, that was chilly.
Where are you going?
But they're gone.
No.
Where am I going?
Draw them back. Chris, do you want the GoPro? That's
Wow.
You turned and startled her.
Hello. Yeah.
That's suddenly got deep.
What we
They're right here next to me.
take the camera. You're gonna have to use the camera on short or something.
Okay, pass it, Joe. God, they're right onto me. Get in, you sort.
I can't. It's really deep there, and it's current's
Yeah,
strong.
get
But the current's strong.
Yeah, I'm
It's
after
on.
a bit.
It's on. It's on. He's excited.
Here you go.
I'm good. I'm good.
There's so many, love.
We're going.
Here. It's so good. Now I've got warm current.
Behind you.
Shouldn't get too stressed, I think, but it's feet.
They're almost falling over each other. We gotta look.
They're looking at your feet. They want to know what your feet are doing. I think I might have got. Oh, I got that one. I got that. They're chasing you while you run. Are you going to run back up again? Because that was funny. He just stood up and looked at you. You're running. All right, go. Do your run. Here they come.
Well, I don't know what you like to do sometimes.
Sorry, guys.
Let it go! Let it go! No, don't go! Don't go!
They're following us.
Don't go!
They're actually following us out.
I'm entertaining on this way.
All right.
You want me to?
You hold that?
Action.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good size one.
Here's a ripper.
He's done. Don't let him ink anyone.
Down this way. That button for me.
Oh, look at him. He's huge.
That's it.
Don't
Head
drop
down,
him.
head down, yeah.
Don't drop it, Karen. Don't drop him.
Well, they're good size.
Yeah, well,
You Caledonia into that one.
Get ya.
no, I just don't. But you wet. Alright, I'm going away. I'm going away. I don't know what he's trying to do.
Trying to ink you.
Put a lid on him. If you put a lid,
Bigger than the bucket.
won't he?
No, he's got no water now. He's bugging.
Karen, you going to pick him up?
No. Actually, if I connect with him, I won't be able to have him for dinner
You
tonight.
don't have to connect. You just got to pick him up.
No, if I pick it, no, I'll probably end up putting him back in there.
So what's happened? Did he get you? Alright, so if you grab the squid, yeah. You got him out the net?
No, I'm not getting him out.
That's easy.
No, it's not easy.
You just grab the jag
Because then I might
and you just
drop
pull
him.
backwards. And there we go.
Still going. He's pretty big, eh?
Spotty, look at how spotty is that when you grab him, tuck his head back. Oh, he had one more in him.
Don't drop him.
Hey?
Oh, don't let me look inside.
Alright, he had one more in him. The girl's got one. Woo! You're on again? Alright, girls are on.
I think it's a little one this time.
That's alright, it's good size. Oh! Get him out of the water so he can't do any more. Turn around. You have not.
I did, I feel
Alright, it's free.
take him out.
Are you going to try and bite me? Oh, I don't like him doing that. Oh, another stream. The streams are gold. The streams are priceless. Right, now you're going to take him off yourself.
This is your boy.